Hi everyone! For today's origami, we're gonna make this origami called Doggone Cool. I don't know why it's called that, maybe because it looks like it has sunglasses on. I don't know. But yeah, so this will be the origami we'll be making today. And we'll start off with a square piece of origami paper like usual. And first we'll be making a boat base. So what we want to do first is to fold in half. And then we want to fold the bottom and top edge towards the center crease we just made. Cool. So it looks like that. Then we want to fold it in half, the entire model. And then if we open this back up afterwards, we're going to fold the left and right edges towards the center crease we just made. And then opening it back up, we're gonna grab one, I guess, edge and squash the corner down. So like this. And we're gonna do the same for all of the corners, just opening it up and following the creases. Press down. So like that. Open it up. Cool, so it looks like that. So then what we want to do after is grabbing these, what we just made, we're gonna basically grab the edges and pull them out and squash down. So yeah, and then it should look like this, basically. Like that, and we're going to do the same on the other side. Pull out the inner flaps out while the outer corner folds in, and then squash down like so, and then fold back in half as evenly as you can, like so. And then this is our boat base. So then we're gonna just flatten the boat base again, and what we're going to do is we have these flaps that we want to make creases. So have this center line here, and we want to make creases so they're like that on either side. So where my hands are indicating is where we want these creases. So let's see, which way is the easiest? I guess if we fold down, that might be the easiest way to do. these flaps, so like that, and we're going to do the same on the other side. So yeah, we've got 2 flaps here like we want, that are just above that center line. Cool. And then what we want to do after that, fold this center crease a bit. Once we have folded these, we're gonna take the bottom flaps here and we're going to fold them up. Like so, and with the top flaps we're going to curl them underneath. So what we're going to do is find that crease that we just made, these 2 like diagonal ones. That's going to be the point, the bottom point of the flaps we fold in. So following that as a guideline, I'm going to just fold it beneath and squash down, and do the same on the other side. So following this as the base point, you'll just fold it under, curl it under, and then squash the fold whilst making sure both sides are even as we do that. So yeah, this is how our model should then look after we've done that, and we want to flip it round. And obviously before we made these creases, which we can see at the back here, and what we want to do is crease them again by pinching them, and we're gonna just bring this, and there's this center crease here, we're gonna bring that over the top and tuck beneath it. So bring it over and tuck it beneath that bottom fold, and as we do so you can see the shape forming now of our model, and push it underneath and then press down to kind of just shape it, and like you see at the front, that's beginning to form shape too. So these flaps here, we want to put the left one into the right one, or the other way around is also fine too. So just open this up a bit so I can actually tuck it in. Cool, so that is, oh my gosh, finally done. I do not know why that took so long just to fold that part, which was supposed to be the easiest part, I think, of the whole model. But yeah, so now you can see the shape of it like it looked like in the picture. So just creasing these 2 parts. And then what you can do is draw the face on it that it recommends. So this is the, was it Doggone Cool, which I tried to like quickly draw a face on. I don't know if it looked better like without that, to be honest, but yeah, here's how the final origami looks. Like usual, write a comment down below what you thought of this origami, thumbs up this video so I know you enjoyed this type of content, subscribe for more origami content like this and other sorts of arts and craft videos I do on here. And yeah, thanks for watching everyone, and I hope you see you next time. Bye.